Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
According to latest reports, India has cleared all the bureaucratic obstacles to finally obtain 24 MH-60 Seahawk anti-submarine helicopters from the US at a cost of about $109 million per unit, which includes spare parts and accessories, along with the technical support and cost of establishing maintenance facilities for the new type of helicopter. The MH-60 uses a sonar system in active and passive mode, and it is also equipped with a radar system for detecting submarines on the surface or just beneath the surface. The pilot instrumentation is based on a fully integrated digital cockpit using several digital monitors, and the combat capabilities are improved by the addition of the new MK-54 air-launched torpedoes and Hellfire systems. According to latest reports, the Indian Defence Ministry will approve the purchase of 12 Sea Guardian unmanned aerial vehicles for the Indian Navy, as the Defence Ministry wants to maximize the utilization of the limited financial resources. The Indian Defence Ministry will also procure a non-maritime version of the drone for the Indian Air Force and Indian Army. The Predator B has an endurance of more than 27 hours and can operate at an altitude of up to 50,000 feet with a payload capacity of 1,746 kilograms. BrahMos Aerospace has said that India will export its first batch of BrahMos cruise system to a Southeast Asian country very soon, and the first BrahMos export contract awaits a government-to-government approval, and a number of other Southeast Asian and Gulf countries are ready to buy the BrahMos system, as they are looking to renew older systems through platform upgrades with latest technologies. In a major policy shift, the Indian government has decided to deploy a strong military buildup along the international border. The Indian Army has also decided to move its air defense units near Pakistan border, and these units will work jointly with the Indian Air Force for better surveillance and reaction, which includes the Indo-Israeli medium-range surface-to-air system, Akash air defense system, Bofors 40mm systems, and older generation systems like S-125 Neva and Tunguska. According to latest reports, India is setting up its Tri-Services Military Space Agency, and it is expected to get operational by next month. The Tri-Services Space Agency will command all the space assets of the three services, including the anti-satellite capability, and an Air Vice Marshal will be the head of the agency. Meanwhile, the Defense Cyber Agency and Special Operations Division is ready, and is expected to start operations by the end of this month. According to an expert, the machines in the ordnance factories need to be modernized, and reskilling of the personnel needs to be addressed by the government on an urgent basis, as loss of confidence in indigenous munitions amongst soldiers is a matter of serious concern, and there are countries which look upon India with great confidence in order to set up their factories. The original equipment manufacturers who bring their system for testing in India have already questioned the consistency of the OFB manufactured products. 2 Indian naval ships are participating in the Index Asia 2019 held in Singapore, and it will also witness the participation of some of India's leading engineering and shipbuilding firms including BrahMos Aerospace and Larsen & Toubro. After completion of the event, the Indian naval ships and P-8I maritime surveillance aircraft will participate in the 26th edition of Singapore-India Maritime Bilateral Exercise 2019. The air forces of both countries will also conduct a joint exercise later this year.